Hi, good day everyone. I am here to answer the 3 questions about SIDO. The first question is, what is SIDO? The second question is, what is the purpose of SIDO in the Philippines? And the last question is, how does SIDO promote the gender equality? Halina't samahan niyo ako. Now, the first question is, what is SIDO? SIDO is the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women. The Convention of Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women is an international treaty adopted in 1979 by United Nations General Assembly. SIDO is often as the International Bill of Rights for Women and is one of the key international agreements that guides the work of UN in achieving gender equality and empowering all women and girls. What is the main purpose of SIDO in the Philippines? SIDO is the only human rights treaty which affirms the reproductive rights of women and targets culture and tradition as the influential forces shaping gender roles and family relations. It affirms women's rights to acquire, change, or retain their nationality and the nationality of their children. How does SIDO promote gender equality? The convention provides the basis for realizing equality between women and men through ensuring women's equal access to and equal opportunities in political and public life, including the right to vote and to stand for election, as well as education, health, and employment. Ang SIDO nga ito ay karaniwang inilalarawan bilang International Bill for Women o mas kilala bilang Women Conventions. Ito ay kauna-unahan at tanging international na kasunduan na komprehensibong tumatalakay sa karapatan ng mga kababaihan, hindi lamang sa sibil at politikal na larangan, kundi gayon din sa aspetong kultural, panlipunan, pampamilya. Ang SIDO din ay nagpoprotekta upang maging pantayang tingin sa mga kababaihan at hindi magkaroon ng diskriminasyon sa mga kababaihan. At isa pa, ito ay nagsasaad ng mga alituntunin kung ano-ano ang ibig sabihin at uri ng diskriminasyon sa mga kababaihan, pati na ang pambansang aksyon para mawala at matapos ang mga naturang diskriminasyon sa bansa, iba't ibang bansa. So, dito na nagtatapos. Sana ay marami kayong natutunan. Bye-bye! Thank you for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button below.